In modern warfare, the rules of power are changing. Today, a drone that costs just a few $100s can destroy military assets worth billions. As strategist Peter W. Singer warned, if nations cannot learn to fight cheaply, they may not be able to afford victory at all. The economic logic of war has flipped. Countries like Russia, Ukraine, and China now produce millions of drones every year. These low-cost, expendable systems are used for surveillance, attacks, and even swarm operations. Meanwhile, traditional military powers have relied on expensive platforms that are increasingly vulnerable. Recent conflicts reveal this shift clearly. Ukraine's Operation Spiderweb showed how simple drones could cripple Russia's strategic systems. Iran's Shahed drones have proven so effective that even the United States has studied them. Groups like Hamas and Hezbollah have also used inexpensive UAVs to bypass advanced air defenses. But here's the paradox. To stop cheap drones, many countries still fire million-dollar missiles. This approach is unsustainable. Recognizing this, militaries are changing course. The US and UK now test affordable solutions like jammers, hunter drones, modified rifles, and even nets. Israel and Britain are deploying laser weapons that cost only a few pounds per shot. These systems represent a new, smarter way to fight. The lesson is clear. Future wars will not be won by the most expensive weapons. They will be won by those who adapt faster and spend smarter. In the age of drones, affordability and innovation have become the real sources of power. Do visit CASS website for detailed analysis.